Today, I'll cook something yummy for everyone. This one looks perfect. Flour, sugar, eggs, check. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Ready, set, mix. Nice and fluffy. Sweet. In you go. Mix, mix, mix. That's lovely. Warm and ready. Nice and smooth. Cook well, little cakes. Nice and tidy. Almost done. That smells amazing. Fresh from the oven. Cool down little cakes. A swirl here and here. Perfect little toppings. A tiny sprinkle. One plate, 2 plates, and 3. Perfect for everyone. Almost ready. And that's how Mum made a delicious treat for the whole family.